Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom hood vents for basically any hood. Today we're going to be working on my mazdaspeed 6 hood, but it's because I cut these really gross looking holes in it a long time ago for my hood exit exhaust and my external wastegate. But today I'm going to show you how to make custom hood vents and just kind of make your car look more unique and more customized. So let's get to today's video. Alright guys, as you can see, I have two massive holes in my hood, and the first hole, the one on the left right here, is because I did a hood exit exhaust out right here and I had no time to cut a nice pretty hole and I rushed it obviously, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm going to clean all of this up, and hopefully the finished product will look better than even the stock hood or anything else. For this whole piece that I bought, I literally bought that at Lowe's for $6. Alright guys, so step one is just to hurry and cut out a big square. It doesn't need to be exact. Tin snips are so nice, by the way. They can cut through so many things. All right, now we have just a big square. We're gonna take our big square, lay it right over, and then we're just gonna cut it and try to get it pretty much exact. You'll wanna leave about a 1-inch border around it, but as you can see, I'm not really measuring anything. I'm just sending it and going for it. So just put it up to it. Okay, it's a little bit closer. about right there. And I just simply all right, so now that we have a piece that covers it, we're going to want to flip the hood over. And as you can see, there's the mesh grill on the other side. So pretty much I just put it under all of this stuff, and then I'll bolt it down after like that. But yeah, I'm gonna have to just try to push it underneath. All right guys, so that side's done. We're gonna put the mesh grill on this side. So you just wanna start by trying to push it in each corner. Doesn't really matter which way you do it, but push it to each corner just like that. Now, in the testing process, I did kind of bend those two pieces a little bit, but luckily I have this giant other piece that's still pretty flat. So I'll be saving this. And if I have to redo it or anything, it's not a big deal. But let's flip over the hood and see what it looks like from the other side. All right, guys, this is what it looks like without any border. I think it looks especially bad because of how it's bent like that. I'm for sure gonna need to put a new piece there, but I'm also gonna be painting that piece black. So hopefully that'll make it look a lot better. All right guys, next you're going to want to cut some black vacuum line, or you can use pretty much just any like black hose, but pretty much you just wanna cut it right down the middle. Just like that. As you can see, it's gonna take a good little bit, or you could use an X-Acto knife, it really doesn't matter, but you just wanna cut it so that it splits in half like that. Try not to cut the other side though, so it splits all the way in half, but yeah, you pretty much just want it open, and then we're gonna go. All right guys, so then once you have it cut, what you'll wanna do is open it up just a little bit to where it can go on. As you see, we cut that little slit for it. And you just want to go all the way around. Alright guys, that is how you make custom hood vents. Now unfortunately they didn't turn out perfect, but they did actually turn out way better than I thought. They look pretty good. To be fair, that literally cost me like under $20 for this whole piece that I bought. I literally bought that at Lowe's for $6. Then I bought some bolts for like $4, but I didn't even use the bolts because that's gonna be in part 2. I'm also gonna be painting these black and redoing them with a fresh sheet because as you can see, they got a little bent when I did it, but it was just kind of almost a proof of concept, and it definitely looks better than it used to, but it needs to be cleaned up a little bit. So that'll be in the part 2, but if you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the part 2 where I'll actually finish it and make it like perfect. But If you have any ideas on how to make it look better, please give me a comment, and maybe that'll help me kind of fix my car. But yeah, finally this car is running good, so I'm super pumped. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.